Okay, let me tell you a condition where the color which we want to get it to the top will be exactly in the bottom. We have not faced this situation while we are making the cube, but sometimes this happens. So if you face this situation while you are doing, you can actually follow this step to get it to the top. So when you get a color like this, it will be somewhere in the bottom like this. So get it. So first step is bring the color in the bottom to a position where we are exactly missing the color. So here we are missing the color, so into that position exactly in the bottom we need to get that color. So after getting it there, the second step is give a downward movement to the middle line. So this line, give a downward movement. After giving the downward movement, the color which used to be here will go to the exactly opposite side, that is it will be here. So that is second step. So third step is get that color to the front and match it here. Now fourth step is take it to the top. So that is how we get an exact bottom color to the top. Okay, the former one which I have told you is for a color missing from this edge and is exactly in the bottom. Now I am going to show you a color missing from the corner and which is exactly in the bottom. So it won't be somewhere, it won't be exactly in this position only, it will be somewhere in this down, the deep down bottom. So we need to get it to the top by using 4 steps. The first step is bring the color in the bottom to a position where the color is missing in the top. So after keeping it like this in a position where the exact top color is missing, give a downward movement to this particular side which we are dealing with. So give a downward movement to this particular side. Now the color which used to be here will go to this side, back side. So that is second step. Now bring that color to the front. This is third step. So it won't get attached here, unlike the edge how it was attached, but it will be a little bit apart in the face. It will be apart in the face. So without disturbing it, just take this part to its position now. So after taking it like this, so what we got is a left corner to be replaced with white. So we already know how to replace a left corner with white. They are simply 1, 2, 3 and 4. They are simply these 4 steps. So that is how we can actually form a color. Thank you.